Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy Frugal Friday to you. If you are new to my channel, I make videos like this every Friday focusing on drugstore products, so please subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos coming out in the future. Today I'm going to show you a look with the new e.l.f. I forgot how hang on. Okay, Modern Metals. You may have seen this on the e.l.f.'s Instagram feed recently. They created this with the winners of Beautyscape, and I take it that this is an annual trip that they do, and it sounds like members of their community won the opportunity to create this collection. And I'm reading off of the little card they sent here with the PR kit. It says that it's influenced by the metallic textures and edgy street styles seen throughout New Orleans. And I have to tell you, the colors in here are simply wow. Packaging is simply gorgeous too. Look at this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I haven't thrown it out yet because I wanted to show you what it looks like. And I'll read off some little tidbits about each product as we go. Beginning with the eyes, look at this palette. This is the Modern Metals eyeshadow palette. Appears to be a mixture of mattes down here and then shimmers up here. I saw the most gorgeous look the other day with this mustard color right here. I don't know if it was e.l.f. who did it. I think it was Sephora. And I thought, oh, it was a really pretty look. Don't know that I could pull it off, but it was pretty. Okay, I'm getting some ideas here. I think what I want to do to start things off is I'll take this shade as my transition shade. I already have a primer applied, by the way. I used the NYX Proof It today. Lightly sweeping this into the crease. Ooh, it's a little more peach. It looks like a dusty rose in the pan, doesn't it? This shade right here. But it's actually a little more peach. It's pretty. And soft. Ooh, I barely have anything on my brush. And wow, color payoff is extreme here. Now I'm particularly curious to see what this shade is going to look like on the eyes, because I was expecting this one to be much darker than this shade went on. I'm gonna use it anyway. And the way I'm going to use this is I'm going to attempt to add some definition directly into the crease. Although there isn't much of a difference between that shade and the first one I applied. The formula is still great though. I mean, these eyeshadows are very smooth, soft. They're amazing. I'm gonna use that mustard color. Why not? I mean, it's just makeup, right? We're gonna take this shade right here. If you don't like it, you can wash it off. Well, I'm not going to, but I'm just saying you can if you want to. And I'm going to apply this like that. Yeah, we'll do the outer half of the eye. Ooh, it's bright. It's woo-wee. It's pretty though, isn't it? It's different for a change. And I'm going to take the lightest golden yellow from the top of the palette there. I changed my mind. No, I don't want to use that one. I make this up as I go along. I never have any of these planned, to be honest with you. I'm taking this shade, yes. And I'm going to apply that to the inner. Whoa, yeah, buddy. I really wanted to brighten the look because we have a lot of interesting colors going on there. I'm a little afraid to do this next eyeshadow that I really want to use, but I may just do it because sometimes you can get surprised by eyeshadows. I'm gonna take this purple. I'm crazy, right? I'm gonna do it anyway though. Even though purple doesn't really go with these colors. I don't wanna mess it up. I'm gonna take a risk here. I may or may not like this. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that purple into the outer corner. Okay, that's all I wanted. I don't want anything more than that. It created a small bit of a defined outer V but not really so much color going on there. Okay, I jumped ahead a little bit there and went ahead and did my face, and I also completed the eyes. I added a little bit more of this eyeshadow mixed in with that mustard on the lower lash line, and I also put a nude eyeliner on the waterline. And my lashes are White Lie from my brand inkyminkylashes.com. I tend to wear these when I have a really loud eyeshadow look to allow the eyeshadow to talk instead of the lashes, and that's why I love them so much. Plus they're very natural looking. Next product I have to show you here. Gotta find the packaging for it though, because I wanted to read the back of it. Okay, it is a blush and highlighter palette. Hang on. Okay, this is what the packaging says. It says there are 3 blushes and 3 highlighters. So these are the blushes and these are the highlighters. It says they are infused with primer powder to stay all day. Formula is very easy to blend, pigmented for easy application, grips your cheeks like a second skin. All right, so since we have a peachy look going on with the eyes, I think I'm gonna stick with that same theme and use this shade right here. Ooh, which highlighter? You know what? No, I don't want to use that shade. I'm going to go with this shade and then use this highlighter. All right, so I'm taking a little bit of that first, that color right there, and I'm going to apply it lightly. Yeah, that's what I figured. I knew these guys were going to be very pigmented, and look at that. That's such a beautiful color on the skin. My goodness, that's pretty. I need to tone it down a little bit, but it's, oh, that's really pretty. Now this shade looks brown in the pan, right? But it's not. It's more of a, I want to call it a peach tan. It's really, I'm really happy with that color. And going in with that light peach highlighter, I'm going to use a finger application for this. Ooh, yes. Boy, they did such a great job with this collection. This is, I am loving everything I'm using. Gorgeous. Oh, all right, last 2 products I have to share with you are lipsticks. First shade I'm applying here is the Modern Metals Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is what the package says about this. It says it's a universally flattering terracotta nude that looks incredible on everyone and complements bold, smoky eyes and bare faces alike. It's enriched with vitamin E to help condition the lips and is very pigmented according to the package. So let's just swatch it real quick. Oh, hey. It's gonna go great with these eyes too. Oh. Doesn't that remind you of the Milani lipsticks? Milani has swatches like that where they're really intense. Last product I have to show you is, this is their Modern Metals Lip Gloss, and you can see it's a gold shimmer. It says it's a non-sticky gloss that has reflexive golden shimmer, also has a vitamin E added into it. We are going to, by the way, that, well, not quite yet, but it says it dries down matte. I'm getting it on my teeth, but so far it's drying nicely. All right, we're gonna pop this over the top. Maybe I'll just do this on the middle of the lips first to see how it looks. Oh, this is, oh man. Glitter is one of the trends for 2019, and I'll be talking about that more in my trends video that I'm going to be filming this weekend, which will probably be out next week. But yeah, one of the big trends for 2019 is glitter. And what a way to do it. I mean, I added it to the center of the lips so it gives the lips a highlight and it creates a fuller look there. It's beautiful. So impressed by this collection. It's very rare that I come across an entire drugstore collection where I love every single product, and I wish that they would have made more. But this is one of those collections. I would have loved to have had more products within it because all 4 are simply fantastic. And if you're interested in it, the colors speak to you, get it. You will not be disappointed in the quality whatsoever. I think you can get these off of the e.l.f. website. They didn't include with the PR kit where you can buy them. Check Target stores too. Sometimes Target has the new releases from e.l.f., but definitely their website would be the best place to look for the Modern Metals collection. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you've tried any of these products out yourself. Would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I want to wish you a wonderful weekend ahead, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.